Hello guys, so we are back again. Dr. Adarsh, say hi.
Hi guys.
So we are back again, and obviously with one of our most famous acne का procedures. आजकल हम दिन रात सुबह शाम सिर्फ liquid rhinoplasties और acne scar करते हैं. Guys, I'm getting bored now. Please कुछ अच्छे fun exciting procedures करवाओ आप लोग. Anyways, jokes apart, as you know that Dr. Adarsh has become one of the best फेशियल प्लास्टिक सर्जन्स इन इंडिया फॉर एक्ने का प्रोसीजर्स आप रोज़ देख रहे हैं. हर रोज़ आउट ऑफ स्टेशन पेशेंट्स आ रहे हैं. कल भी हमारे पास जयपुर से पेशेंट आ रहे हैं. रोज़ ही कहीं ना कहीं से पेशेंट आते हैं स्पेशली फॉर एक्ने का प्रोसीजर. तो अगर आप भी दिल्ली के बाहर के पेशेंट हैं तो डिसहार्टेड मत होइए कि आप डॉक्टर आदर्श से ट्रीटमेंट नहीं करा पाएंगे. हम लोग प्रॉपर फ़ोन कंसल्टेशन करके आपको बुलाते हैं फॉर ट्रीटमेंट और आप मॉर्निंग में आके इवनिंग तक अपना ट्रीटमेंट करा के वापस जा सकते हैं. तो डॉक्टर आदर्श, ये क्या प्रोसीजर कर रहे हैं आप, एक बार प्लीज़ दिखाएंगे और इसमें क्या स्पेशल है ऐसा?
So we are doing acne scar removal treatment. Right now we are doing MNRF, microneedling, radio frequency. So here it works. There are gold plated, 24 karat gold plated.
Can we see?
needles.
1 second guys. थोड़ा इसको वाइप करके दिखाएंगे. हाँ जी, 1 second. Yeah, now we can see. Wow.
So along with this thing, there is radio frequency which is connected. So if you zoom it in this area, I can show you the demonstration how it works in deeper layers of skin.
Sure.
If we are doing it like this.
Right, you can see guys, ये गोल्ड प्लेटेड नीडल्स कैसे अंदर जा रही हैं. सर आपको दर्द हो रहा है?
थोड़ा बहुत हो रहा है.
देख सकते हैं गाइस आप हाउ कूल दिस इज. गोल्ड प्लेटेड नीडल्स एंड दे आर एक्चुअली गोल्ड प्लेटेड नीडल गाइस. मतलब वी आर नॉट जस्ट saying it to just say it. They are insulated needles.
Here you can see the fumes are coming out when we are touching it superficially.
Yes. Great. Amazing, 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 amazing.
It does these radio frequency insulation underneath your skin at the deeper layer so that the fibrous bands will get damaged and it will do new collagenesis, new cell formation, new tissue formation. So for deeper scars and for hard skin, it is the gold standard treatment. And whatever we are doing right now in this case, for this case also, this is gold standard because the skin texture is very much firm and bands are very much hard.
Yeah.
Even our cannula got damaged because of that.
I was not here during the procedure guys, so I've just come in for this live. तो डॉक्टर आदर्श अभी बता रहे हैं मुझे कि the skin is very hard and even our cannula got damaged. So, but I'm sure Dr. Adarsh, you will be able to give amazing results as usual and as always.
Yes, definitely.
Yes. So, guys, I think that's all for now. If you guys want to ask any questions, मैं बता दूँ अभी तक हम क्या क्या कर चुके हैं डॉक्टर आदर्श. आज आपको बताना पड़ेगा. Sorry, I don't know what all you've done in this patient till now.
So right now we did punch excision for some deeper scars, box scars. So here you can see there is one opening also. So we did punch excision on the both side.
All right.
And after that we did TCA cross and TCA paint specifically for his nose. Then we did subcision, RF subcision. Specifically I did RF subcision for his nose. That is curated by me only. I think nobody else is doing subcision on nose. And sorry I haven't shown you people how I did it because it will be a bit scary for you people.
But I'm sure you can post it in your
Yes, I will post
reel,
it.
right?
I'll post it in my stories and reels.
Sure.
So that was the punch.
Because I'm sure a lot of doctors who follow you
there
here
there are
want to see.
massive, deep box scars and ice pick scars and rolling scars on his nose.
Right.
And you can't do these vigorous treatments on nose. So I did, that's why I bought this particular workstation specifically for less invasiveness, because we can't do subcision through no-con needle on the nose area. That is not comfortable for patient and doctor both. So we bought this particular workstation. This is amazing thing. So his in this workstation, the subcision is very much precise and calculated, and the RF mode is the punch thing.
Right.
So we did RF subcision in nose. So bleeding will not be the issue, which is the main thing which causes problem in the nose area. And now we are doing MNRF, microneedling radio frequency, which I have shown you. After that we will go for fractional CO2 laser ablative form, and then we will close one or two punch areas, and then we will go for face PRP vampire facial.
Right. Okay, so that's all for now, guys. Dr. Adarsh, say bye.
Bye guys.
If you have any queries, kindly DM us your numbers and we will get back to you. So bye guys, that's all for now.